If you have issues with the Bluetooth device not connecting properly with your Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, here's what you can do in order to try to solve your issues. So first of all, we're gonna just open settings. We're gonna proceed to connected devices. And now if you had your device connected in the past, but now it doesn't want to connect, then what you can do is you can simply turn off your Bluetooth device. You can also go to connection preferences over here, go to Bluetooth. You can turn off Bluetooth and then turn it back on. Once you re-enable Bluetooth, you want to go back to this connected devices menu. You want to turn your Bluetooth device back on, and then you can check if your Bluetooth device is going to reconnect. If it still doesn't want to connect, you can put your Bluetooth device into the pairing mode, as long as, of course, you have that option. And then once you put it into the pairing mode, you should be able to select it from previously connected devices, and hopefully this time it is going to connect. If still it doesn't want to connect, you can go to the settings of that Bluetooth device. You want to completely forget the device. You want to turn it off, turn it back on, and then once again try to pair. So if possible, put it into the pairing mode. If not, make sure that it is not connected to any other device. Now in here, we're gonna press pair new device, of course, in order to see the list of available devices. And then we should be able, after a short time, we should be able to find our Bluetooth device. So we should be able to select it in here and pair, confirm that we want to pair. There we go. Now, if still you cannot connect your Bluetooth device, you can perform hard reset or factory reset of your Bluetooth device. Unfortunately, I cannot really tell you how to do that with your Bluetooth device, because every Bluetooth device has its own way of factory resetting everything. So what you need to do is you need to check the manual of your Bluetooth device, and you want to just find out how to do that. It should be pretty straightforward. Usually it involves using like some sort of like a button or something that we have in there. And then once you perform the factory reset, you can turn off, turn on your Bluetooth device back again and try to pair it one more time. This time you will definitely, most likely at least, connect your device with your Nothing, or to your Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro. In case you still have issues with pairing your Bluetooth device, there is one more thing that we can do on our phone. So in settings, we need to scroll down and go to system, and then in system we're gonna go to reset options. Then in here, in reset options, we should be able to find reset the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So we want to go over here and you want to reset both of these settings. Unfortunately, we cannot separate them. So if you decide to reset these settings, you will have to not only pair all your Bluetooth devices again, but also you will have to connect to your Wi-Fi networks again as well. And after that, of course, you want to go back to the connected devices menu, and you can try to pair your Bluetooth device one more time, and hopefully this time it is going to work. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.